Today I'm going to talk through what a 401k is, just at a basic level. I will do another future video that will go a little bit more in depth. But at a 101 level, it's a retirement savings plan offered by many U.S. employers. It is taxed on the way out, so in retirement, when you're pulling that money out, it is then taxed. In 2025, your max, if you're under 50, it is $23,500. If you're over 50, it is $31,000. And employers can match a percentage. This can actually be very confusing, so I laid out an example here. So let's say your salary is $60,000. Oftentimes you'll see employers say they'll match 50% up to 6% or some format of that. And what they're basically saying is, in this scenario, $60,000 salary, so 6% of your salary and 50% of what you contribute. So in this scenario, 6% times your $60,000 gets you $3,600. And then you want to divide that by 2 since they are matching 50% of that amount. So they're going to match $1,800. And then this is just a quick little visual for how it plays out. You have your paycheck, let's say it's $5,000. You contribute $500 that is not taxed. That goes into your 401k. That can be some sort of investment, so index funds, target date funds, etc. But those funds are being invested. And at some point in time, you pull that money out. And that is when it's taxed, as I was mentioning before. So that's a high level what a 401k is. Thanks for watching.